When your Xumo TV remote stops working, the problem usually falls into two main categories: power issues or connectivity problems. Let's systematically diagnose and solve these issues. First, let's address power-related problems. The most common cause is dead or improperly installed batteries. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh alkaline or lithium batteries. Make sure they're aligned correctly with the positive and negative terminals, matching the markings inside the battery compartment. If you see white or green corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them with rubbing alcohol using a cotton swab. This corrosion can prevent proper electrical contact. If new batteries don't solve the problem, try power cycling the remote to clear any residual charge. Remove the batteries for 30 seconds, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds while the batteries are out. This discharges any residual power. Then reinstall the batteries and test the remote. If power cycling doesn't work, the issue is likely connectivity related. Let's examine signal and interference problems. Connectivity problems occur when the remote's infrared signal can't reach the Xumo device properly. Infrared remotes need a clear line of sight to work. Remove any objects blocking the path between the remote and your Xumo device. Also, clean the infrared sensors on both the remote and the device. Distance and angle also matter for reliable infrared communication. Keep the remote between 3 and 15 feet from your Xumo device. Point it directly at the infrared sensor and avoid extreme angles greater than 30 degrees. Finally, eliminate sources of interference that can disrupt infrared signals. Turn off other infrared devices like cable boxes, soundbars, and gaming consoles. Also, reduce bright lighting, especially fluorescent lights and direct sunlight, which can interfere with infrared signals. These power and connectivity solutions resolve most Xumo remote issues. If these steps don't work, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic power and connectivity checks don't resolve your Xumo remote issues, it's time to try reset procedures. We'll start with a soft reset, which is the gentlest approach. For a soft reset, simultaneously press and hold the power button and volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without losing your remote's pairing information. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset. This is more thorough, but will require repairing your remote with the device afterward. After the factory reset, you'll need to repair your remote. Access your device settings menu and look for remote pairing options. If reset procedures don't solve the problem, several advanced solutions are available. First, ensure both your remote and Xumo device have the latest firmware updates. The Xumo mobile app serves as an excellent temporary solution. Download it to your smartphone and use it as a backup remote while troubleshooting your physical remote. If all troubleshooting steps fail, don't worry. Check your manufacturer warranty for potential replacement coverage or contact technical support for professional assistance. Most remote issues can be resolved with proper guidance.